I hit this issue to date and here's the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to turn off notifications on your Claro 2026, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open Settings. Navigate to the main menu and tap on the Settings icon. This is where you can manage all your device preferences. Step 2. Select Notifications. In the Settings menu, find and select Notifications. This will take you to the notification management options. Step 3. Choose App Notifications. You will see a list of apps that send notifications. Tap on the app for which you want to disable notifications. Step 4. Toggle off notifications. Look for the toggle switch that says Allow Notifications. Switch it off to stop receiving alerts from the app. Step 5. Confirm changes. After toggling off, ensure that the changes are saved. You can usually see a confirmation message or the toggle will remain off. Sometimes, you might need to restart the app for the changes to take effect. Just a quick reminder to check if the notifications are truly off after making adjustments. I hope this helps you manage your notifications better. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask.